chewing gum for our eyes. It can give us many things, but it accepts time to think. But what do we have to think? We can start thinking about that each hour that you spend watching television, it becomes in 22 minutes less in your life expectancy. It is true that television gives us many positive aspects, but I am not here to talk about that. Today I'm here to tell you that television is worse than obligatory education. Television is worse than having a bad brain. Television is worse than a fat diet. Research has shown that television damages our health. An experiment made at the American Medical Association showed that if we spend 2 hours daily watching television, we are more able to develop diabetes and heart diseases. In other words, if we watch television for 2 hours daily, we can become sedentary, and then we become fat, and then we can acquire diseases. Despite the medical aspects, watching television also has bad consequences on brain activity. Actually, the more television you watch, the less your brain works. When we watch television, our brain goes into a passive mode. This means that we don't participate actively with the information we are receiving. And this led me thinking that we are so involved in television that we don't realize that government is kind of controlling ourselves. Government bombards us every single day when we watch television with distracting information. And it's a shame that we don't realize that. According to INEGI, the 91% of the population of in Mexico have television. This means that almost every woman, every man, every child in Mexico is receiving certain kind of information or certain kind of education that will affect their way of thinking. Mexican women are just the same thing as soap operas suggest. Fat Mexican children are the result of what marketing suggests. And we are the strong proof that we don't realize that television makes us stupid persons. I invite you to stop watching television. If you want to be a fat puppet controlled by television, keep watching. But if you don't, please, that time that you spend watching television, use it reading a book, or that time that you spend eating junk food and watching your favorite soap opera, use it riding a bicycle, for example. I'm pretty sure that it will help you. More than being sat there in your sofa receiving junk information. So I invite you to stop chewing television.